everyone! Welcome back dito lang sa kusina ni Tita Ching. Okay guys, so this episode, I will show you how I will chop my whole chicken before I will cook them as chicken curry. Okay. Yeah. So, but before that guys, please, if you haven't subscribed yet into my channel, please subscribe, comments, like, and share. And of course, don't forget to hit that notification bell para po kayo laging updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Thank you guys! And of course, sa mga nakapag-subscribe na sa akin, from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so of course, una is tanggalin muna natin sa packaging. There. So I'll show you guys how will I prepare my chicken for my biryani. Not biryani, for my chicken curry. Okay, so ayan. So what you're gonna do first is to slit there. Okay. And then do the same on the other side. Yeah. There. Okay. Oh, see, they are. I already break it. I want to use that thing. I'll change it into bigger one. There we go. Put that in there. That's it. Like separate, already separated the thing. Right. For the things. Yeah. So that's one. You can see the joints there, so you can just flake that there. Okay, so we then separate that breast. It is cheaper guys to buy a whole chicken rather than to buy the you know, the parts. Okay. So they are all then been chopped. So what I need to do now is to chop them further into bite pieces or serving pieces before I clean them up. And I have to remove later the breast. I will just make them 3 parts. Okay, so 3. Okay, so we have to clean now our chicken, pieces of chicken. We will put it in a colander so that it will drain the excess water. I will remove the thing, guys. I will remove the skin. I need my scissors. Okay. Because the chicken skin is full of cholesterol, and we like to be healthy as much as we can. Yeah, so that's gone. I'll just trim a bit more. Okay. That's it, that's clean. I have as well then food waste bag, so that it will go straight away there, all the rubbish. Okay. So just trim the parts that is difficult to remove. Yeah. Some people, they will save as well the skin and make it like a chicharron. Yeah. Wow. Yes. Let's remove this. Guys, this one, yung mga madulas na part, yun ang mga nabibigay ng lansa ng chicken. Kaya yun ang ating tinatanggal. Yan, nice and clean. For the drumstick, you have to remove as well. You just pull it that way.
Salamat sa pag-ibig mo, ibig mo lagi kong nasa puso't isip ko at inaamin ko na namiss kita, piling ko pa rin ang piling ko kahit wala ka na sa piling ko pa nga kung ipagdarasal pa rin kita, ipagdarasal pa rin kita.
I remember when I was a little girl, gusto nila itong kainin. Oh, di ba may barbecue na ganito guys sa amin sa Pinas? Kinmon. Sa Ilocano we call it kinmon. Backside of the chicken. We could really buy the one without bones, but mas masarap daw guys yung may buto, di ba? Masarap daw, although mas mahal pa. Maybe for this wait, I'll just leave the balat for this one. Change my mind. Them all.
Pero alam ko na ba sa'yo makakatumba sa iyong napadama. Salamat sa pag-ibig mo. Ibig mo lagi kang nakakagot isip ko. Isip ko at inaamin ko na namimiss kita. Na namimiss kita.
Piling ko kahit wala ka na sa piling ko. Piling ko pangakong ipagparisal pa rin kita. Ipagparisal pa rin kita.
Hirap kasi guys pag tayo'y nagkakailan na, lahat tumataas na niya. Kasi ako, I just found out that I have a high cholesterol, so we have to be careful now what we are eating. Yeah, that's why I am trying to be good. I'm trying to remove all the skin of this chicken before I will cook.
Gusto kita isayaw ng mabagay. Gusto kita isayaw ng mabagay.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me on so tight.
So it's all been cleaned. So the next step that I'm gonna do now is to pat them dry. I will use kitchen towels to make it sure that they are really dry. Just like that, you know, because they will produce a lot of water if you don't pat them dry. You don't have to do this. You just let them, you know, just let it dry. Just let it drain the excess water. But I don't have any patience to wait anymore, so I'll just rather do this.
You're the only one for me.
It's too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Okay, so I just carry on doing this, guys.
With you so much. Nobody gonna love me better.
I must stick with you
So
forever.
I'll just carry on doing that, and I'll see you when I am ready to cook. Okay, so there we go, guys. Nice and dry already.